video. My name is Fold, and I'm so happy you joined us so you can learn about electricity and how to stay safe around it. What do you already know about electricity? Electricity is all around us, inside and out. That's why it's important to stay safe around electricity all the time, all year round. Now let's get started. Mine workers are trained to work around electricity, and they wear personal protective equipment, also known as PPE. It keeps them safe on the job, like hard hats, safety glasses, flame-resistant clothing, special insulated gloves, high-visibility reflective safety vests, and reinforced safety boots. Mine workers also have many different tools to make sure the power is delivered safely to our community. Check it out!
Hello, my name is Mark and I am an Austin Energy troubleshooter. I'm here to tell you what a troubleshooter does on a daily basis, show you some of our PPE and safety equipment we use to keep ourselves safe and the public. Our main hazard is electrical shock and arc flash. So in order to protect ourselves from those arc flashes, we have to use a long sleeve FR shirt, FR pants, from anything falling on our feet, a steel toe or composite boot, an electrical rated hard hat, and ANSI approved safety glasses. Whether it's a vehicle accident, a down power line, a tree falling, we always run with our PPE as far as our rubber gloves. These are our secondary gloves. They're good up to 1,000 volts. We use these for services on houses, checking voltage, picking up low voltage down power lines, the ones that serve your house. These are my primary gloves. These are good up to 20,000 volts. This is what I use when I'm working on the high voltage lines. Typically the ones you see running down the streets or very top to the poles. These are my lifeline. I run by myself. I pick up any line, whether it's de-energized or energized with these on. So here at Austin Energy, from time to time, we still have to climb. And people's backyards is the most common spots we climb, and those are during storms, when we have trees falling, down power lines, broke poles. This is the equipment we use to do it. We got these gaps that we put on to stab into the pole with our protectors. We got our new safety equipment here. It's a fall restraint, made to choke the pole, prevent us from falling. So these are the common tools that a lineman will take up with him. You know, screwdriver, pair of clines for cutting various things. Always a skinning knife, skin any insulation away. We also use this to rescue another employee if we needed to. Cut his safety belt if he were to become unconscious up there or anything. We have some sort of a sharp object to cut him down off the pole and rescue him. A wrench that has multi-different sizes for different uses. And just your typical pliers. Another common tool we use here at Austin Energy is a voltmeter. We use this to verify we have good voltage, bad voltage, de-energized or energized wires. These are used on a daily basis anytime we hook up or de-energize a piece of equipment. So this is a common protection device here at Austin Energy, whether it feeds a single transformer to a single customer or it feeds a line fuse to several customers or a riser fuse to several underground customers. So typically this thing is closed in the closed position right here, which is completing the circuit. And when there's a fault behind it, whether it's an underground fault, a down power line, a tree fell on the line, or a squirrel got up on a transformer, this fuse will open, making an open in the circuit, which now de-energizes what is behind it. And then at that point, an Austin Energy employee will come, have to verify that the line is safe, make repairs, and close this back in, energizing all customers. And these are the things we use to test our lines, de-energized and grounded right here. So this is our high voltage tester here. We could test up to several thousand volts on this thing. And this is the piece of equipment that we use to ground the line to make it safe in order for us to work it. So first we will verify it's de-energized, we will test that it's de-energized, and we will prove that it's de-energized by the method of grounds. At that point, then Austin Energy can safely perform the work that needs to be done on that line. So here at Austin Energy, we try to keep as many lights on as possible, providing that the public stays safe and Austin Energy employees stay safe while working the lines. In order to do that, we have guards that protect ourselves from energized primary voltage. We have hot sticks that can keep our safe distance from things that are energized. We have long sticks that are energized up to 100,000 volts per foot. You'll see a lot of these being used in storms for transformer fuses and things. That way a lineman does not have to climb up there and put himself in immediate danger when trying to re-energize a piece of equipment. We can keep our distance by using these. We use buckets to work on primary voltage. Anything up in the air, it's a lot more efficient, quicker, safer. This bucket is insulated on the top boom, the lower boom, the bucket, the liner, and our rubber gloves. We have several points of protection to protect ourselves when working on energized equipment, along with our harness that we use while we're up there and all of our other PPE. Power lines are very dangerous. You never know when they're energized or not energized. Stay away from any down power line. You know, just be mindful of what your kids are doing, playing in the backyard, on the streets, you know, where the power lines are after a storm. Don't assume that the line that's on the ground is de-energized because your lights are out. Always call Austin Energy to come out and verify that that line is de-energized and made safe.
Well, Mr. Troubleshooter Lineman, thank you so much for all you do to help deliver electricity. Now stay safe out there. Now for some more electrical safety tips.
Be careful not to overload a power cord. It could catch fire. Warning signs of an overloaded electrical circuit. A. Flickering lights. B. Warm or discolored wall plates. C. Crackling, sizzling, or buzzing from outlets. D. Burning odor coming from outlets or light switches. E. Mild shock or tingle from touching appliances, outlets, or light switches. Never play or fly kites around power lines. Don't play on trees that are close to power lines. Stay far away from substations, vaults, or pad-mounted transformers. Always stay at least 10 feet away from power lines, especially fallen power lines, or if using a ladder or long tools. Never use a metal fork or knife to get stuck toast out of a toaster. It could shock you or worse. Never keep appliances like hair dryers or radios close to water. If the hairdryer or radio fell into the bathtub, it could shock or kill a person. Never run power cords underneath a rug. The rug prevents the cord from releasing heat, which could lead to a fire. If a power line falls on your car, stay safe inside the car until utility workers say it's okay to get out.
Join us for more fun and resources online under the About section at awesomenergy.com. Thank you for watching Austin Energy's electrical safety video. Now remember to stay safe around electricity. Bye now.